If you use Notion for your lead list and building your website on Framework, then this video will save a lot. See, as you can see here, I built my website inside the Framework. And if you go to the contact page, I just created a simple clean form to demonstrate this process. Basically to connect these Framework forms to your Notion database. I know this might take a lot, so if you are short on time or just want a setup done for you, feel free to DM me on X at Anil Kody or email me directly. And you will find the email in the video description. Whether setting up this Notion lead system or building a full website, I can help you. And I probably hope you guys already know how to build this kind of forms inside the framework, but I will show you exactly the step to connect this form to your database. And for these steps, we are using Zapier to connect this form to the Notion. For that, you just need to go to the Zapier. Here, you need to create automation. Simply click on create Zaps. Then it will open this setup, and you just need to simply click on the trigger. And here you just need to click on webhooks. Choose trigger event. Here you just need to catch hook. Like whenever any user sending the data, it will catch the data. So simply click on catch hook and simply click on continue. And here you don't need to any child key. So simply continue. And here it will give the API URL. So simply click on copy and go to your framework forms. And here you will just see here like webhook, or if you don't see, just simply click on press and add webhook. Here simply paste the API URL, and in case if this doesn't work, you just need to give your email. So if anything goes wrong, it will just send the data to this email. So that's it, and we will send a simple data. I just fill a basic form and simply click on send message to send the data. As you can see here, I sent the form, and let's go to the Zapier and click on test trigger. It will just catch all the data that we sent. So as you can see here, we got this, and simply click. As you can see here, all the strings, all the values are here. Just simply click on continue with the selected hooks. And here we just need to connect, look for the Notion. And here, not just the Notion, you can simply use any kind of apps to store your data. But we are using Notion for this video. Simply search for Notion and click Notion. And here we need to connect the Notion with the framework, with the Zapier, and it will simply pulls the data. Choose action, and here we need to, as you can see create database item. Click on this. And here we need to connect the Notion. As you can see here, we need to connect the Notion database to the Zapier, but we haven't created any database, so we will create that. Simply go to the Notion and click and create a simply new page. And here select the database, empty database, and here we need to create the data fields. So simply go to the framework, and we need to create these databases: name, email, phone. Simply create name, email, phone. So we just created all these fields, and now let's give a name, and let's go to the Zapier, and again click on select pages, and you can here you just need to search for the framework form leads. As you can see, I already added. Then just click on allow access. As you can see, it's done. So let's go to the Zapier and click on continue. Here we need to choose the data values. So just select the exact database. Here I'm selecting the framework form leads because it's framework form leads. So as you can see here, we got the details. So final thing, we need to connect the framework form to this Notion by data fields. As you can see, all the fields came as we created in the Notion data page. So we need to let's connect this. Simply click on name and choose the appropriate thing. Here name, we're selecting the name, and for the website URL, just select the URL website, and for email, select email, and for the mobile. For the project details, choose message, and simply here budget, select the budget, and for the content, we don't have any content, so just leave it empty. Then simply click on continue to save the details, and then simply click on publish. As you can see here, we just created the form, and let's try out. As you can see, let's refresh this. As you can see here, we got the details in our Notion page. Let's again final check. Let's again final test. Simply click on something. Let's check again in the Notion framework. As you can see here, we got the details. So that's it. It's pretty simple. And yeah, that's it. If this helps you, feel free to share it with someone who is using Framer and Notion. If you'd rather skip this setup and just want this ready to go, feel free to DM me on X at Anil Kody or drop me an email, and I'm happy to help you out.